Hi, I'm Mark Craven from Snohomish, Washington, and we're here at Craven Farm, and today we're going to talk about paper mulch for pumpkins. Well, there's a lot of different mulch and covers that you can use. Of course, you know about the plastic type. You've heard about them. We've got the newspaper, which of course will work, and you can use it, but if you want to stay more organic and get away from the ink, which is a concern in your soil, you can use just the plain paper. It'll help as a weed barrier and also help and retain a little heat in the ground, which will help your pumpkin grow a little faster. But to do that, take your paper, put it on the row, and you're going to want to put a little hole in it where your pumpkin seed is. So a lot of times what I've done in the past when I use a mulch of some type is basically lay it down. So you lay it down on your soil and then put dirt along the edges, because you got to have something there to keep it from blowing off. So you put your dirt along the edges of your mulch, whether it be paper, newspaper, plastic, just like this. So then you've got your mulch there. So then what you're going to want to do is come along and poke a hole in your paper, just like that. Open it up a little bit, and then you can plant your pumpkin seed right inside of there. So the mulch, like I said, is going to help slow the weeds down. Maybe if you're lucky, even keep the weeds away all the time. But it's going to also let your pumpkin come up, keep heat in the ground, and let the moisture go through the paper. So this is a great way and will help you preserve your soil with no bad chemicals in the soil, and also help your pumpkin grow faster. Thank you.